Okay, guys. New camera, new ring light. I'll get it figured out, I promise. This is April's Vapebox, though. So much white. Great things wait for you. Oh, hey, a new tank. We are currently having tank issues, so... Our atomizer. I haven't figured it out yet. So, looks like we got the Blazer Pro Game Changer. If anybody knows anything about it, you can message me, because it's not one I've heard of. You know anything about it? We've got... Ooh, yay. Cool Lemon by Profit. I have heard everything about these. These are supposed to be really good. R&R? Yes? No? Maybe? I will tell you the flavor of this one. Creamy Peach. I am pretty sure this is peach, and it is a flavor I cannot have. Let's see, what do we got? FJ's. I have had FJ's in their apple fritter. It was a little rich for me, but this one's lemon. No, I'm sorry. It's tango. It's mango. Might be good. I will have to try it. And I am not sure. I will read the card list for you in just a second. This one's called Mighty Vapors. Okay. So, looking at the paper, it looks like the Mighty Vapors is menthol, citrus, and cucumber. The Reaper by Profit is cool melon candy. FJ's is rich tango mango sorbet. And it was right, creamy peach. And then we've got the Blazer Pro Tank. So, I'll have to try them out and get back to you on what I think. At least maybe we have another tank.